Hello, in this lecture we'll take a quick look at the navigation through JavaScript, and as you probably know, you can actually navigate through the elements, through the A tag, A element in the HTML, and then you can also access that and add a new href property to that element, but you don't have to do that. You can simply use something that we see in this little example. Just two pieces of code, and really only one of them actually does the navigation. So we have window, location, replace. Replace is the function. Okay, so basically you just enter your new URL, which will be replaced with the existent one. So it will navigate from what you see right now to what it is in that URL. And that's it. That's how the navigation works. The other very useful method I want to show you, or other function I want to show you, is the reload. Reload function basically reloads the page, the URL, the existing URL. A little page reload, it might be useful sometimes. And with that, we will conclude this lecture.